Hello there everybody and welcome to Tarot by Izabela. I hope you're all doing great, even if we live in very troubling times. And I am very happy to see you here. Today's video will be about a rumor that goes around on the net, and I want to look into that and see what the cards have to say about it. And the rumor goes like it will be soon. I can say shutdown of all communications, internet, phones, TV, and some similar, and it will be called 10 days of darkness, when you will not be able to communicate through your normal ways like phones, internet, and so on, and communication blackout. And this 10 days of darkness, when it starts, it will be for about 10 days, and during this 10 days it will be sent global EAS, emergency alert system or signal, or EBS, emerging broken system, a certain message to tell the people what is really going on and why this is happening, and so on and so on. And I want to look into that 10 days of darkness, if it's going to happen, and or if it's maybe only a rumor. To do so, I'm going to use my tarot cards, my oracle cards, and my dices. But before start, let's shuffle the cards and ask the powers to be with us, to see what they have to say about these 10 days of darkness. Will there be 10 days of darkness? So let's put some cards on here. 10 days of darkness, followed by EBS, EAS. And some dices. Here, grace, windmill, and empty talking bubble. Let's see, 10 days of darkness. Yes, according to the cards here, it will be. We have the Three of Swords. That means something is gonna separate, it's gonna be cut off, gonna finish, like a separation. And we have Four of Swords, something that is quiet, lay still. Yes, so some kind of communication blackout will happen. And it can be 10 days up to 2 weeks. We have number 2 here. And we have also the moon. But moon is 28 days. So who knows, maybe it's even an entire, it will stretch to an entire month. And the cards say here it's important to save. Or you save money, save cash, have things prepared at home, because this you will need it. You will definitely need it. Let's take some more cards on this. days of darkness. Sorry. Yeah. And people will feel alone, cut off. So it's coming. Some kind of communication blackout will happen. And again, it says, take care of your family, your close ones. Try to save cash at home, extra food, water, whatever you can need for almost a month. If there is no communication, really you cannot go out, shop. Everything is dark, banks are down, cars are not working. It's not possible to communicate online because there is no internet. Yeah, so it says so. And I'm gonna take some more cards on this one. A lot of people gonna get really scared, gonna think that the end is near. And I can say, yes, some kind of end is near, but I would rather say the end of an old system, beginning of a new one. The things that will be communicated on this EBS, EAS system, it will be like lies gonna be revealed, definitely. And new leaders gonna come up here. I'm gonna mix those cards again and see if there is some additional information. And especially I would like to see when this 10 days of darkness is supposed to happen. Just a little shuffle. Additional information about those 10 days of darkness that could stretch to up to 1 month. So I would recommend people prepare for not be able to go to your supermarket, grocery shops or so on for a month. So you have a month of supplies of food, water, candles, yeah, and so on. Maybe some way to charge your cell phone, maybe some solar cells or something like that. A lot of preppers online you can watch on YouTube or another, and they have a lot of, how you say, good tips on how to prepare yourself for this kind of scenario. Additional information. It's like justice will be done during those 10 days of darkness. There will be a lot of work behind the scenes, but it looks like good people, good forces are working behind the scenes, and justice will be done. And things will happen very quickly. And the dog here, deception. A lot of people have been living in extremely big deception. We have been lied to from left, right, up, down, low, below, from everywhere, from all kinds of places and institutions. And this deception, these lies that we have been living in, it looks like there will come justice to that. Also during those 10 days of darkness. Even if the internet communication is down, there will be some power, because information will come on the TV screen or some kind of channel that you can see what's really going on. But also like the financial system gonna shift during this time. When will this happen? It looks like quite soon. Could be within 3 weeks, 3 days, 3 weeks. Could be also around New Year, or January, or before the New Year. So it looks like quite close in time. Yeah. Some last words for this 10 days of darkness. Shuffle a little bit, and we'll take some last cards for if I missed something or if there is something more that have to be said. The most important things for people is not to panic and not go out looting on the streets, smashing windows and grabbing stuff. Everything will be recorded and everyone will have to pay for it eventually. Stay calm. Any last words here for this reading? It will also be about big money. It could be a change of the money system here, quick changes. All the money have been centered in one place. Could that the money will be, transferred, or like Robin Hood, shared among a lot of people. Even if it's like 10 days of darkness with no internet, there still will be information that will come out. Important information and direction for the people, what to do, what to expect. So, yeah, even if I'm going to feel very lost, you're not going to be totally lost, because information certainly will come out. Well, guys, that was my reading for 10 days of darkness. And if you would have any question, or maybe you have something you would like me to make a video about, a theme, a question, or something you want me to look deeper into, please feel free to mail me. My email address is below, and I will do my best, possibly make a video about it. Anyway, if you like what you have seen, please don't forget to press like button, share button, and subscription button. And I'm very thankful for having you watching this video, and hopefully we're gonna see each other soon again. Bye bye.